Hi, my name is Mark, and if you're having issues connecting your laptop or desktop computer to Wi Fi, you have come to the right place to get answers. When I was dealing with this issue, my computer would not even show the Wi Fi options of things. I would go to YouTube looking for help. I would be given the 7 steps or the 5 steps to connect your computer to Wi Fi connectivity, but this did not give me any resolve. I used the suggestions. I did the unplugging of the modem and router. I did the check your drivers. I did the update for the computers, but nothing that I did would even pop up Wi Fi. Then I found out that the issue is because some computers, it could be laptop, it could be desktop, they do not come with Wi Fi connectivity automatically, which means that you won't have the ability to see Wi Fi. So, in that situation, you would be able to connect to the Wi Fi, but you would have to use the Ethernet cord and plug in to connect to Wi Fi. So, what I ended up finding out, I did come up with an answer with my own research. And what I came out with my answer was there is a Wi Fi wireless USB adapter, which is basically like a dongle that you put in the back of your TV or computer. And let me tell you, this thing works. Here is what it looks like. Now, let me share with you that there are multiple and different versions of this. This is the one I chose to select to use. And upon ordering it, I ordered mine from Amazon. And the one that I chose came out to be like $16.99 or so. And it automatically popped up Wi-Fi. There was no reboots. There was no driver issues. That was the fact that that computer just did not have Wi-Fi ability. So just as quick as I plugged it in, just that quick, just like that, Wi-Fi. And I'm going to show you an example here of what my computer looked like without the dongle. As you can see, as I'm pointing here and zooming in, it tells me that no connectivity, no connections, doesn't even show you the word Wi-Fi. And now I'm going to plug the dongle into the computer and show you the same screen without any edit or anything else. And now you see as you pull down the Wi-Fi options. If I went on to the Wi-Fi connection, it'll have the word and option of Wi-Fi. So I share this because I went through a lot. I don't know how many more of you out there had to deal with the same thing. The thing that I found was more of a problem was I even called in to my internet provider, let them know that I was having problems with a computer that I recently got, and I wasn't getting connectivity. They walked me through a couple of the same walkthroughs. There was no success. The thing about it was they suggested that they would send one of their professionals out and come and look at my connections and see if there's a problem from their end. They, being the internet provider, says to me, well, we'll send somebody out, but if we find out that it not has nothing to do with our connections, our motors, or our routers, we'll end up charging you $150 on your next bill. We're going to stop that right now. Don't even send nobody. I'll find my own answer. And luckily for me, I did in this adapter that I found. Now, I kind of question that the Wi-Fi company, internet company, did not suggest to me that, well, maybe you need to just buy an adapter. some way. I think they was trying to get that 150 out of me. So to make sure that you don't run into those same type of problems, let me share this video with you and let you know. Now, I will share this. I am not being sponsored by anyone, not by this company I showed you or any person or computer or whatever. I will share that the one that I purchased is called QGoo. The letter Q, the word GOO, says dual band wireless US adapter. Now, what I suggest you to do is take my advice in using a wireless adapter, but do your own research and review in choosing which adapter that you want to choose. I'm not suggesting to get this one. This is just what works for me. This has the antenna looking legs on it. I saw some that were very short and just plugged in looking like a little bump. I seen some that looked like a dongle but did not have the antenna connected. So like I said, get your own research on, get that. I made this video to save someone from those headaches that I dealt with. What I want to say that if this helps you, and I'm very hopeful that it will help you, please write in comments and give me a insight of you went through the same type of things and the same headaches with no result till you used one of these, or you already knew about one of these here and how long it took you before you came up with an answer. So with that being said, I do hope others have been helped where you got your answer, and if it was because of me, then the service I was glad to provide. Okay, so have a wonderful day out there. I'm going to go ahead and log off of this here and say bye-bye.